What if I told you that video took exactly one click to make? No camera, no mic, no editing skills, no Premiere Pro, nothing. Just one click, and it's completely free. Okay, so real talk. If you've ever wanted to start a YouTube channel but always felt like you couldn't because you don't know how to edit videos, this video is literally made for you. Because today I'm showing you a tool called Focal AI that turns any idea or script into a full ready-to-upload video automatically in minutes. And this used to cost hundreds of dollars a month, but now there's a free version, and I'm walking you through every single step, so stay with me because I'm about to save you months of frustration. Let me paint you a picture. You've got an amazing idea for a YouTube channel. Maybe it's faceless content about true crime, or finance, or motivation. You know the niche, you've got ideas, you're excited. You open your laptop, you're ready to go. And then reality hits. You need a script. That takes an hour. Then you need a voiceover, but you hate the sound of your own voice or you don't have a mic. Then you need visuals, so you're browsing pixels for 20 minutes finding nothing that matches. Then you open CapCut or Premiere, and if you've never used these, it feels like walking into a cockpit with zero training. And after all of that, hours later, you've got maybe 30 seconds of usable video. Sound familiar? That friction is what kills your motivation, and why most people never post their first video. But here's where things get interesting, because Focal AI is an all-in-one AI video creation platform, where you type one idea into a text box, and it automatically plans your video into scenes, generates matching visuals, creates a natural-sounding AI voiceover, syncs the audio, adds captions and transitions, and assembles a complete finished video. And when I say the voices sound good, I don't mean 2021 robot voice good. I mean genuinely indistinguishable from a human narrator good. Here's exactly how you use it. Go to Focal AI, the link is in the description, sign up free in 30 seconds with your email or Google, no credit card required. Then hit Create New Video, type your topic like how to make money online as a teenager with no experience. Hit Generate. And while it loads, let me ask you, what kind of channel are you thinking about starting? Drop it in the comments right now because later I'm telling you which niches perform best with AI tools. So stick around. Okay, it's done. And what just happened is the AI planned your entire video structure, broke it into scenes, assigned content to each one, and now you pick your visual style, choose your AI voice from a huge selection, hit Generate again, go grab a glass of water, come back and your video is basically done. Now let me be completely honest, because I'm not here to just hype things up. The good stuff is that it's genuinely fast, cutting a 6-hour manual process down to 10 minutes. It's truly beginner-proof with a clean interface that needs zero editing knowledge. The voiceovers are legitimately impressive, and having everything in one place instead of juggling. ChatGPT plus 11 labs plus pixels plus CapCut is a massive win. But the honest limitations are that the free plan has limited credits, so serious high-volume production will eventually need a paid plan. The visuals don't always match perfectly, so you might need to swap out a scene or two manually. Outputs can start feeling similar if you never customize anything, and it's not a replacement for professional production if you're making a $10,000 brand video. But here's the part most people completely miss, and honestly, this is the most important thing I'm going to say. The tool doesn't make you successful, your strategy does, because the faceless AI channels that blow up aren't the ones with the best production. They're the ones who picked a specific curiosity-driven topic, instead of something vague and generic. They made sure their first 30 seconds created a pattern interrupt instead of welcome back to my channel today we're going to talk about. And most importantly, they showed up consistently. Because when you can make a video in 10 minutes instead of 6 hours, you can post 3 times a week instead of once a month. And that's the difference between a channel that grows and one that dies quietly. The exact workflow that works is, use your brain or ChatGPT to find a specific punchy topic. Write a strong hook for your opening 30 seconds. Paste it into Focal AI and let it handle everything else. Spot check the scenes and swap anything that feels off. Then download, upload, and repeat. Do that 3 times a week for 3 months, and you will have real traction, not because of magic, but because of volume and consistency. And if you're still wondering what your channel should be about, the 5 niches working best with AI content right now are finance and money, motivation and mindset, true crime and mystery, educational how it works videos, and AI and tech news. Pick one. Commit, start posting. So here's your homework. Go to Focal AI right now, sign up free, come up with one topic, make your first video today, not tomorrow, not when you feel ready, today, because the creators growing their channels while you watch this started before they were ready too. The only difference is they started. Subscribe if you want more videos on AI tools that actually work. Drop a comment telling me your niche, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's go.